You want your photos to be as vivid as the memories you're capturing, and cell phone pictures just don't cut it. But the M10 Mark IV gives us the ability to capture sharp, detailed, and inspiring images in a small and easy-to-carry setup. In-camera 5-axis image stabilization automatically smooths out handshake or movement, giving you clean handheld shots even in low light, and allows you to shoot crisp, steady 4K video. If you're not confident in choosing the best settings, the M10 Mark IV's scene modes do the hard work for you. Just tap on the type of scene you want to capture, and the camera selects the ideal aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. The advanced autofocus system ensures your subjects are always in focus, easily detecting their eyes and face. The M10 Mark IV is perfect for photographers who are starting out, but has technology pulled from Olympus's pro-level cameras. AP mode makes advanced photo techniques, like capturing light and star trails with live composite, as easy as tapping your LCD screen. Are you ready to break free?